International between Sri Lanka and Afghanistan at the Pallekele International Cricket Stadium for the Nippon Paints Cup. Right, now the Afghanistan captain won the toss and had absolutely no hesitation in putting Sri Lanka to bat first on a very good-looking surface. And looking at the Sri Lankan team, they're gone with 5 specialists. Bowlers, 3 seamers, Afghanistan 2, depending a lot on their seam attack with 4 seam bowlers included in the side. You ready for the action? Let's join our first commentators. Hoping for a brilliant ODI series between the two sides. Avishka Fernando, 33 games to his name. His partner, Pathum Nissanka. Fazalur Farooqi, what a find he's been, the left-armer wicket taker. Nissanka takes strikes. There are 2 slips waiting. Oh, the shaping off the mark straight away, not convincing at all. Oh, really well done. That runs, he hit it well. Will be the first boundary of the day. This time it sits up. Got enough, controlled it well, Fernando. Oh, he's picked that up, no one in the deep. 1 bounce, 2 bounce, it'll run away. Hit hard, that's quality. No runs. It's running away, Gurbaz. ODI beats him. Beautifully played again. Back to Nissanka this time. Sri Lanka on a roll. Short and huge. That's the first maximum of this innings and brings up the 50 for Sri Lanka. He knew that this is a free hit, so swings it off and swings it so beautifully for the first maximum. Down the ground and brings the middle fielder Shahidi. This is an expensive over, 19 from that over. Down the ground, Hasmudullah Shahidi misses this time. He did get a hand, but the outfield is so fast and it tickles away for a boundary. Shot again, this time it was not meant to be a bouncer, just a drag down, and Avishka Fernando picked up the length and pounced it over mid-wicket for a boundary. This time heads on its way and it's into the grass banks. If it's towards the leg side, all he had to do was to just put the bat onto it and beautifully guided this because the angle had actually already given it that it would be going down the leg side. This time again, another straight drive. Pathum Nissanka is batting just like a dream. Just gentle pace. 2 is the call by Avishka Fernando. And spins back for the second run and brings up Pathum Nissanka's half century. That's his 14th half century in his career. And most importantly, 5th in his last 9 innings. This time, it's short, it's wide. The wrong one was picked pretty early by Pathum Nissanka and dispatches 2 extra cover for a boundary. And bisects the gap this time again. Pathum Nissanka scoring boundaries for fun here. On 49. And there you go. Pushes the ball to point and gets his 50. His first after 8 innings. Been going through a bit of struggle. But the team management and the coaches show confidence in him and put him right in the center once again. And he cashes out. A little too predictable maybe by Gulbuddin. Too short. It was the length that I was talking about. The idea was right, but the length allowed him to rock back and play it behind the square. And Avishka Fernando ready at time was initially looking to be committed but then adjusted. Cut away, that'll be work for deep point, won't get there. Boundary, back-to-back 4s to end the over. Gone through. Short mid wicket. And will beat the long on as well. That's nicely placed. Well, I thought he got a top edge on that occasion, and maybe deep square leg was in play. The chase for more. Light's picking it up. He's picking boundaries at will. Avishka Fernando. Gone! What a catch! The great Janti Rhodes will be proud of that effort. And for a moment, Avishka Fernando thought he had enough back to get another boundary. In the end, Ibrahim Zadran is flying like a bird. Holds on to it. Nevertheless, a brilliant knock by Avishka Fernando. 88 of 88. Sri Lanka loses their first at 182. Not been in the best of form. Not been making the runs. Is it that hard? Will that get him a boundary? Yes, it will. On 99 now, Nissanka. He makes it! It's a 100 for Pathum Nissanka. What a brilliant inning this has been. Appreciated from the dugout. This is the 4th century for Pathum Nissanka, the second in Sri Lanka. He's played so well. Flawless, beautiful inning. Off the back foot, that's a nice shot. A rare boundary off Nabi's bowling, but the placement was excellent. Now it seems like back-to-back boundaries for Sri Lanka. One to end the over to start the over with. This time, Pathum Nissanka tries to clear the field and he does. Pathum Nissanka was playing that slog sweep, dragging it from outside the off stump. Now this can be taken. I think it should be taken. Kusal Mendis it is. This time trying to probably find that gap between mid-wicket and long on, not to pitch of the ball. Almost like a top edge, and Gulpati Naib at mid-off holds on to an easy catch. Skipper Kusal Mendis stays in the middle, comes to end, 16 of 31, Sri Lanka 2-5 for 2. Sadira Samaravikrama comes out. An important phase in the game. I think Afghanistan has wrestled back some control. Straight away, there is some improvisation. And Samaravikrama might get a boundary, he does. This is much better. Just short of a length, he's able to pounce on it. Pitching it short, and almost like it goes. The drag down. Don't think there was enough pace in that delivery. I thought that was pace off, but even with pace on, he's not quick. O'Daniel, he's hit it with the wind. And over it sails. He finds this in his arc, sweeps this and sweeps this fine for a maximum. He gets to a great position. Great position again. Even better. Once again, another maximum. Same shot, same results. This one even far. 150 for the first time in his career. Pathum Nissanka is striking it at 130. What a knock. Look at his feet movement. He just moved early. He knew where the ball is coming. It was full toss and dashed on for a maximum. He's just been toying with the bowlers. He's been hitting him all around. Oh, he's picked it up. He's picked it up. The wind will do the rest. He knows that the wind is on that side. Will take it away. Oh, that's enough. That'll run away. Another boundary. Very cleverly placed by Nissanka. Is it that fielder at deep mid-wicket? Accepts it. It's Samara Wickrama. The slower ball into the pitch works. The short pitch deliveries have given away a lot of runs, but at this time, it was onto the off-stump line. And a good catch by Azmatullah Omarzai. So Sadira Samara Wickrama does not happen to complete his half-century. Departs after making 45. Puts together a great partnership. Sri Lanka are now 345 for 3. Hits it. Again with the win. 196. One hit away from a 200 back in Nissanka. Can't get through. He gets it past point. Will he get it past the sweeper? Yes, he does. 200. 200 for Pathum Nissanka. He goes for Sanajaya Surya. Another milestone. He turns it into a double 100 and it goes into the direction of the wind. So he catches it with a boundary. And even at that stage, he's not taking any chances. He's still working out where his shots are. Shorter one. This time he goes the other way. And he gets a six. Gets it on the offside. It's front of square. Gurbaz again. Technique into his left. Technique into his right. 381 for 3. Pathum Nissanka. Unbeaten on 210. And he's given Sri Lanka their highest score in Sri Lanka. 210 to Pathum Nissanka. Striking at 150. Avishka Fernando 88. That was the opening partnership of 182. And Samara Wickrama, they all chipped in. Fabulous knock. That's taken Sri Lanka to this massive total. Absolutely, Afghanistan bowlers really didn't have the answer. 3 wickets only fell, 2 of them to Farid Ahmad Malik, who had a good comeback, and 1 to Mohammad Nabi, who's been the most economical of the lot. Can Afghanistan do it? That's the big question. They certainly have the batting muscle in the likes of Ramnullah Gurbaz. That is his partner, Ibrahim Zadran, had a great test match back in Colombo. First ball coming up. Short and wide. Forcing shot of the back foot will get him a boundary. Gurbaz expecting the outswinger. It's just an inducker. Cut him in half. Way too late to the stroke. Young Pramod Madushan. What a start, making comeback into this team. Getting a new ball ahead of Dusman Chamira. Strikes goal for Sri Lanka. Dangerous Gurbaz got 1. Afghanistan 5 for 1. Pramod Madushan. Going past Ramnullah Gurbaz brings the experienced Rahmat Shah. Oh, well bowled, that's in the other way. Pathum Nissanka is back on the field. And Pramod Madushan has found his second wicket. Kushal Mendis as wicket keeper. Almost wanted to go across. And surprised Pathum Nissanka. Good catch. Very well bowled, Pramod Madushan. In from Zadran, gone for 4. Afghanistan in trouble. 10 for 2. Obviously, the through his bat at that one. A bit of whip, and he smashed that through point. Oh, gone. You would like to think as a batter you should put it away for a boundary. It was overpitched. Short of the length, short deliveries. He was putting them away. Tamira goes fuller and left. Ulbadin Knight scored 16. It's 55-5. Oh, that didn't bounce as much as he expected. Took his eyes off the ball. It's hit him on the visor. Yeah, that's what he was trying to tell the Sri Lankans who were quickly in there. Good looking shot. Good looking shot. That's a beautiful shot. What a cracking shot that is. They need a lot many of these. Well, he just earns a new win again, and once again, Nabi's up for the task. That's another boundary. 3 boundaries in this over. Is this the momentum that Afghanistan is searching, looking for? That's a poor delivery on the pads. At least a couple here. Might be 4, I think. It is. Good struggle for time. This is a nice shot. Let the ball come to him over Nabi and slaps it. That will be 4. That was whip. Everything wrong about that from Chamira. Omar Nabi's got to 50. He's overtaken Omar Zai. 64 balls. No one in the deep. That'll skip away for another 4. Aerial he goes. Anushka Fernando will watch it sail over. Possibly lower at the end. Enough power. And most importantly, finding that gap. Just wide of short mid-wicket. It's 4. Good end to the over from Afghanistan's point of view. Apish wasn't in control, but it's gone through. The other has gone through the fielder as well. Yeah, there you go. Finds some room around the cover region. And will easily come back for 2. Maybe he can get 3. No. He'll settle for 2 and get his 5th ODI 52nd against Sri Lanka. Slot that. He'll find himself a boundary here. He's taken that risk, sweeping it from in front of the stumps. Should get a couple. In fact, he'll get 4. His outfield is rapid. That's exactly what I'm talking about. You've got to take that calculated risk. Absolutely, it was really well hit. It was short. And he's hit it so well. That's the power he possesses. Now, such short deliveries loose will certainly be a bonus for Afghanistan and for Mohammad Nabi. Over the bowler's head, mid on up. Dushman to Chamira, going with the wrong leg. And that's his 100. What an outstanding knock from the veteran. 39 years and 39 days. The 6th oldest to score an ODI 100. And this is a good shot. Almost cleared the umpire. Goes high, and it has cleared, I think. It's gone all the way for 6. And he gets his 100. His maiden 100 celebrated by fellow teammates. And he should be happy. And the 200 partnership is also up. Takes him on. It's big. Again. He's hitting into the wind and he's beating it. He's breaking through it. Yeah, slice that. Mid on waits. And he watches it sail over the 3rd 6 in the over. one hit away from 150. Last ball of the innings. Hits it straight to mid-on. 149 he'll end up on. Madhushan will end up on 4. But he's done the damage. It's his wicket early. And then his 4th in his last spell, which has given Sri Lanka a victory. It's more in relief that the Sri Lankans look around and celebrate. A batsman's paradise here, as you can see. 381 for 3 after being asked to bat first. Pathum Nissanka, 210 not out. Umar Zai, 149 not out. Mohammad Nabi, 136. Madhushan is 4 for 75. Ever so crucial for Sri Lanka to restrict Afghanistan to 339 for 6. A win by 42 runs.